Your front door is more than just an entryway, it's the first impression your home makes. In Weston, where classic New England charm meets modern luxury, the right door can completely transform the look, feel, and comfort of your home. But beyond aesthetics, professional door installation services can enhance energy efficiency, security, and long-term durability. If you're looking to refresh your home's appearance or improve its functionality, expert door installation is one of the smartest investments you can make. Here's how local professionals are helping Weston homeowners elevate their living spaces through precision, quality, and craftsmanship. Elevating curb appeal and style. One of the most noticeable benefits of professional door installation is the instant boost in curb appeal. A new door can dramatically enhance your home's exterior, whether you're going for a traditional colonial aesthetic, a sleek modern design, or something custom in between. Local installers in Weston understand the town's architectural variety and can recommend door designs that complement your property's character. From solid wood entry doors with timeless appeal to contemporary fiberglass doors with clean lines and energy-efficient cores, professional guidance ensures your choice fits both your home's style and your personal taste. A professionally installed door doesn't just make your home look better, it makes it feel more inviting. Improving energy efficiency year-round. Weston's seasonal temperature changes, from chilly winters to warm, humid summers, can impact your home's energy use. Poorly fitted or aging doors often allow air leaks, drafts, and heat transfer that drive up utility bills. Expert door installation solves this problem with precise fitting and advanced sealing techniques. Professionals ensure that every hinge, frame, and weather strip is aligned to minimize air infiltration. Pair that with energy-efficient materials like insulated fiberglass or steel, and you'll enjoy a more consistent indoor temperature and lower energy costs. Over time, this small change can result in significant savings, making professional installation a smart long-term investment. Enhancing home security and peace of mind. Your doors play a crucial role in protecting your home and family. Weak frames, outdated locks, or improper installation can leave even the strongest doors vulnerable to forced entry. Professional installers reinforce every component, from secure strike plates and hinge placement to multi-point locking systems. They also ensure that locks and latches align correctly, preventing gaps or loose fittings that could compromise safety. For Weston homeowners who value both elegance and security, many modern door designs include impact-resistant glass panels, smart locks, and reinforced cores, combining style with strength for complete peace of mind. Custom solutions for every home. No two homes in Weston are exactly alike, and neither are their doors. That's where local door installation experts truly shine. They offer customized solutions that take into account your home's structure, design, and functional needs. Whether you need French doors to open onto a garden patio, storm doors for extra protection during New England's harsh winters, or custom-crafted entryways for a unique statement, professionals can handle every detail, from measurement and design consultation to final installation. Their craftsmanship ensures a seamless fit and finish that's tailored to your home, not just a one-size-fits-all approach. Long-term durability and maintenance-free living. Professional installation doesn't just make your home look better, it helps your doors last longer. A door that's properly installed resists warping, sticking, and moisture damage, even in Weston's unpredictable weather. Local experts use the right tools, materials, and techniques to ensure durability, giving you a smooth operating, low-maintenance door that performs beautifully for years. Many also offer warranties and follow-up support, so you can enjoy your investment worry-free. Adding value to your Weston home. A new, professionally installed door not only improves your home's function and appearance, it also adds value. Real estate experts agree that door upgrades consistently rank among the top home improvements for return on investment. Whether you plan to sell your home or simply enjoy it for decades to come, an expertly installed door makes your property more attractive to buyers and more enjoyable for you. Final thoughts. In Weston, where homeowners take pride in both design and quality, expert door installation services offer the perfect blend of beauty, performance, and protection. Local professionals understand the nuances of the area's climate and architecture, ensuring that your new door isn't just installed, it's perfectly fitted for lasting results. From elegant entryways to energy-efficient upgrades, professional installers help transform your house into a secure, stylish, and comfortable home. When it comes to doors, expert craftsmanship truly opens the way to lasting value and everyday satisfaction.